Hi, my name is Julie, and today I'm going to give you an overview of the mapping features available in Citizenserve. We'll start by creating a new permit. I can select the property location by entering an address, or I can click the map icon to select a property from the map. So I'll go ahead and click this, and our map is displayed. And I can drag the map marker to the desired location. So once I drop it here, it'll tell me what that address is. While on the map, I can view layers such as our zones or parcels. So if I click the parcel layer here, it'll draw all those parcel maps. And let's take a look at the zoning districts. If I click that, it'll show me the different zoning districts. And I can click a district to see what it is. So this green area is multifamily residential, and this light bluish is business and commercial. These layers are pulled from your GIS system, and you can load as many different layers as desired. You can also utilize all functionality from Google Maps, such as zooming and the satellite view. You can also use Street View by grabbing the little guy and just dropping him in front of the address you'd like to take a look at. Once you've selected the desired address, you can just click Save, and that will pull in all parcel-related information, such as the address, the property owner's name and their address, and property and structure information. Whatever information you're storing can automatically be pulled in. Next, let's take a look at map capabilities in our tasks. So I'll click the Citizenserve logo to go back to our home page, where it lists all of my tasks. So your tasks can include inspections, plan reviews, and any other project-related tasks. I can take a look at all of these on the map by clicking the map view icon. You can easily tell if a task is overdue if it's red. You can see on the graph bar up here, I've got 82 overdue items and 2 that are due. And you can filter this by the activity types if you want to just look at specific inspection types or specific review types, and you can also filter by date ranges or a specific date. You can drill down by clicking a marker, and it'll show you basic information. And if you'd like to view this task or complete it, you can just click the link here and it'll open up that activity and you can view that information. Next, let's take a look at the mapping options available to you through reports. With the proximity report, you can enter a file or a permit number and locate all of the properties within a certain radius of that address. So I'll enter a permit number or a file number that shows me the address. I can view that data either on a map or the report viewer, which would be a list, or I can view a certain notice. So if I want to send a notice to all property owners in a surrounding area, I can set up a custom template for do that, such as a property owner notice. Let's take a look at it on a map. I'll click Run Report. On the map, your starting property will be red, and then all the surrounding properties will be in blue. And you can again click any of these to see information about those addresses. There are also some standard reports in Citizenserve, such as the violations map, where I can see all violations on a map, or the permits issued map. So let's take a look at this one. On the permits issued map, I'll enter a date range. So let's just say January 1st through today, and click Run. And this map will show all the permits that have been issued in that date range. And the different colors are split out by the permit type. So you can see how many commercials you've done or residential repairs. And you can click on an icon to see additional information. And again, you can use the satellite function, the Street View function, all basic Google options. You can also create custom reports. So if you want to create your own report, I can come into Reports and click Create a Report. And let's say we are looking for just a map of commercial permits. So I'll give my report a name, and I'll select Map as our display type, and then I'll select the type of data I want to report on, so in this case permits, and then select the fields or information I'd like to see. So I want to see the permit number, the permit type, subtype, work description, and the issue date. And then I'll select the filter. So what permits do I want to see? I just want to see permits that are commercial. If I wanted to add a date range in there, I could. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll say, and the issue date is greater than January 1st. And then the last option is the grouping option. And this will be how it decides what color marker to use. So I'll say subtype. So we've got our report set up. I'll just click run and that will pull up our report and give us little indicators of each property. And again, same functionality. I can click to see more information. And this report is now going to be listed under my reports. I can run it again whenever I want. And that is an overview of the Citizenserve mapping features.